What's up, guys, and welcome back to Kitchen Court Chats. Today I have a video of 6 quick bond hearings in front of the magistrate judge, including one where the guy tried to bribe the cop. Yeah. Stay tuned to the end to make sure you see what that one was all about.
All right, are you Mr. Henry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Henry, you. All right, Mr. Henry, you. All right, Mr. Henry, you. All right, Mr. Henry, you've been charged with interference with government property. That bond is $2,000. Obstructing a law enforcement officer is $1,000. Cruelty to children in the third degree is $2,000, and aggravated assault. That bond has been denied. Your preliminary hearing date is on February the 21st. Bond hearing date on February the 23rd. I've appointed a lawyer to assist you. Do you have any questions?
You said it was denied?
On the aggravated assault.
All right.
All right, take care.
McKinley Jenkins.
All right, Mr. McKinley Jenkins.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. McKinley Jenkins, you've been charged with driving with an expired license. That bond is $2,000. Failure to stop, $500. Violation of driving without a license is $1,000. So your total bond is $3,500. Your preliminary hearing date is on the 20th. If you do not make your bond, if you make bond, you'll get notice in the mail when it come back to court. I've appointed an attorney to assist you. Do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Y'all do signature bonds or recognizance bonds?
Yeah, you do if you qualify for it. Based on your criminal history, you didn't qualify for it. Any other questions?
Oh, ma'am, we'll be.
All right, thank you. Take care. Caller?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you've been charged with loitering and prowling. That bond is $1,000. Criminal trespass. That bond is $1,000. Theft by receiving stolen property, automobile is $6,000. Theft by receiving stolen property, gun is $2,000. Theft by receiving stolen property, passport is $2,000. So your total bond is $10,000. As a condition of bond, you cannot go back to the International Parking Garage located at Atlanta, Hartsfield Airport at 3947 North Loop Road in Atlanta, Georgia. Do you understand the conditions of being granted bond?
Yes, ma'am.
Your preliminary hearing date is on February the 21st. Are you currently employed anywhere?
No, ma'am.
All right, based on that information, I've appointed an attorney to assist you. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, are you Mr. Reynolds?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Reynolds, you've been charged with speeding. That bond is $1,000. Open container is $500. Driving under the influence of alcohol is $3,000. Too fast for conditions is $500. Bribery is $2,000. And obstructing a law enforcement officer is $1,000. Your preliminary hearing date is on February the 21st, and I have appointed an attorney to assist you. Do you have any questions?
When all these open charges, all these new charges, because the guys charged me with something, and now you're saying now there's new charges.
Okay, well, hold on, right? These are all the charges. I'm gonna let you know what you've been charged with. On this day and time, you were stopped for this is the allegations that you were driving 90 in a 45-mile-per-hour zone while traveling on Moreland Road. The driver was later identified as Isaiah Reynolds. The driver had a strong odor of alcoholic beverage, come under arrest. The driver snatched away from me. That's when I forcefully placed his hands behind his back. While the driver was in the back seat of my patrol vehicle, the driver stated that he would pay me $300 to let me go. So those are the basis of the charges that you've received today. You understand those? That's the allegations. We're not here to dispute them. That's what a preliminary hearing is for, and your preliminary hearing date is on February the 21st. You have a lawyer to represent you. Your total bond is $8,500. That's about 15% through a bonding company. Do you have any other questions?
You said 8,500.
Yes, that's the total. 15% of that through a bonding company.
So when I bond out, I'm okay. I can go, right?
That's correct.
All right, cool.
All right, take care.
All right, it's okay.
Next.
What's your name?
Ty Williams.
All right, Mr. There was insufficient probable cause, the way the officer wrote up the warrantless arrest affidavit. So your charges be dismissed today. The state will probably correct the officer's errors and indict your case at a later date. But for purposes of today, you'll be released. Thank you.
Okay.
Next.
Chris Wallace.
Okay, no.
All right, Mr. Wallace, you got a lot. Hold on. Mr. Wallace, you have been charged with hit and run is 2,000, improper use of the central lane is 500, reckless driving is 2,000, obstructing a law enforcement officer is 2,000, improper lane train is 500, turn signal violation is 500, speeding is 500, driving with a suspended or revoked license is 1,500, expired tag is 500, operating a vehicle without insurance is 500, fleeing or attempting to elude a police officer is 2,000, disregarding traffic control devices 500, driving under the influence of alcohol is 3,000, and use of license plate to conceal a vehicle identity is 500. Your total bond is $16,500. Your preliminary hearing date is on February the 21st. Based on your application, after you didn't indicate approximately how much money do you earn a month?
I don't know, 4,000 to 6,000.
All right, so based on the information, you'll have to hire your own attorney to represent you in this case. And do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Well, we had a dismissal in there. We all had that hair flip. Oh, what a docket this judge had. And this was just a little snippet. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button as well as leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.